Hey guys, welcome back again to the channel and welcome back to Boomsy Sports. You guys, I have been avoiding editing this video because I have a terrible cold and I just got my voice back. But anyways, welcome back. This is me just heading to the market, and I will tell you guys, please beware if you live in Nigeria, because the water I bought, I was so thirsty going to the market today, and my friend and I, we just thought to buy water on the road from these boys that are hawking on the road, and it was bad water. Like, it was tasting medicinal, like there was medicine inside the water, so bitter. You could tell that this is not factory water, like this is not clean water. So you guys, please be careful. If you live in Nigeria, you are aware of a lot of fake products. In fact, even in the market, somebody was about to sell a fake Maltina to me that on the body did not look fresh. Like the body had stripe, like a container that was picked on the road and given to me. But anyways, guys, welcome back again to an exciting market vlog. You guys, I am just heading to the car park here because I'm about to take my ticket and head into the UBA car park. If you've been watching my market vlog, you know that this is where we always park. And those of you that loved my boo-boo, just look to your right where you're seeing boo-boos being displayed. That is where I bought my boo-boo from. But this is me just, collecting my tickets and just heading straight into the car park. At this point, I've already also called my Alaboro woman to just wait for me because, she has gotten to the market already, and I already discussed with her that I was coming to the market. Coming down from the car here, you guys, I didn't know that leaving this market, I was going to leave sick. Like my nose blocked. But anyways,
hey
enjoy.
guys, we just got to the market right now, and I'm with Chacha Baby in the building. Hello. It's time to do month-end shopping, and to be very honest with you, how I feel today, I am actually very tired. I think I have come to this market a lot in this month, and I actually need self-care. Honestly, I actually need self-care. I'm actually very tired. But anyways, I have to do this. What to do? I have to do it. My children are back to school. They need their essentials. My house is not going to smell. I need to buy my washing and cleaning tools. But anyways, let's head into the market. And I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please and please, don't just watch and go. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video, not just market vlog. But anyways, let's just go in and start shopping.
So here I am just walking into the market. You guys can already see I'm just doing the lazy walk because this market felt like they forced me. But I saw this fresh abalumo and I stopped to buy. The guy was selling for 3,500. You guys, abalumo that is in my father's compound. My neighbor has abalumo that falls into our compound. But anyways, I bought a few. So it's time to keep heading into the market. And yeah, this is my Laboro woman. For you guys that don't know her, this is my love. I will leave her number on the screen again, and please treat her well when you call her from me. But yeah, we have entered into Orika Market, and it's time to enter and go into my several shops that I usually shop my items from and start shopping. You guys, on this day I intended not to waste time in the market because I knew what I wanted to buy. But tell me how we ended up spending more than 4 hours in the market because we had other things that we needed to do, but not in this section of the market. So myself and Chacha Baby, we split ourselves, and Chacha Baby got missing in the market. Chacha Baby got missing in the market. But yeah, you guys, this is my customer where I buy Nutri-Bomb and my other things from Golden Mon, and just a few things from, this is her place, and I bought a few things from her. Milk. Did I buy milk? No, I didn't buy milk. I just bought a few things from her.
Stay hydrated. You guys, we actually bought fake bottle water. It was tasting like medicine. God help Nigeria. You guys will know Chacha Baby from my top market.
At this point, if you actually watch my vlogs, you will know Chacha Baby, especially from my 12 market. She's actually the hilarious one.
I want banana. I don't want this thing, vanilla.
I was so tired at this point, but I met with the lady I usually buy detergents, Viva, and cleaning items, and she just went to arrange everything for me. So this is her fixing it into the carton. I had bought at this point Hypo, Mama Lemon, just a lot of things that I bought, and then this is her just wrapping it safely so that my labor woman can carry it. The shopping continues. This is just us entering into different stores, asking for prices, comparing prices, and then ended up buying a few things from this store. You guys, I love this coconut peanut a lot, but I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to lose weight. This is me just goofing around.
Progress. I was going to leave this market very early today. How far? Oh yeah, come put for me. 3 Happy New Year, that's small. 3 what's it they call them? 3 golden terra.
Hey guys, this is the lady I buy my spices, my spaghetti, my corned beef, lasso chicken, just name it. This is where I buy it from. And then I just proceeded to buying kiss pants for Kaima. This is the lady I buy it from. I also buy my moped and other things as well. Tiger nut has been infused in a lot of things these days for me, so I stopped to buy this fresh one that I saw, and it was a wrap for me at this point. So when my labor woman carry my things, she just drops it at this her friend's shade. So she's just arranging the things right now that we'll be taking to the car park, because it's not just for me, myself and Chacha Baby as well. You guys, it is time for Wasi. Wasi is about to stress my life right now.
So you reduce them.
No, I'm picking this one. Let me pick this one.
No pieces anything for me. I not saying you. I not saying you pieces anything for me. Oh, I see you.
This one 3 pieces.
I not telling you pieces anything for me. No be only 3 pieces. What's no 1 million?
I want 10 million. Sir.
Now they call me. They call me.
I know. This is cost.
So what I could do now? Me it cost.
They call this one at 5,000 now. Woman. That place that they call you.
I hear you.
But I know what you.
Why you not sell for her finish? Why call me?
No, you know they buy plenty.
If I sell for her finish now.
No.
What's your beg? Give me.
I see them more now.
You know how they buy the meat 6 pieces. You can't come out and come put 4 green because you know say I could price them. What's your beg? Leave me. At the time I was gonna say you just they do shakara. No cut them, oh. No cut. You don't start, oh. You don't. Leave them. I not send you. I not send you.
Let me put it down. Down.
Meat no complete. He go bring one way, don't hide. You see him? You see him?
I still get more there now.
That's so. Well, see you not cut that meat, oh. I know they joke with you. No cut that meat. No cut them. What see what you want come out now? Which kind of wahala be this one now? No, Put my meat, you go cut everything. Put my meat, you go cut everything. If you not, you leave them. If not, leave them and not buy. Leave them. I don't tell you how much. I don't tell you how much. Every time you dey stress person.
As you no want spend money. Money day, you no want spend.
Which money day? Now you they give me the money.
God give you.
What's I beg me? Make you no cut them too big. I know make you cut them too big. What's I know they do ceremony. Ceremony don't finish for my house. It's too big. My pikin bed they don't finish.
If they do it again now.
No, they do them.
You will do it everything. That's true.
How you take lean? You don't finish my subscriber their money. You say lean.
You will see money by grace of God.
Amen.
You will go up. You know, come down.
I hear you. Cut them. No cut them too big. Cut them.
60,000.
No be only 60. No 1 million. You for take now 60 million. You know want. Follow me go. I might go buy you house 65 million. More they go. What's your beg? Give me. Copy yours, my pay. I know I don't tire
No,
for
when
this
I
market.
go to that place, I'll call her.
Call her. Call her now. Call her. Call her.
See better.
Wasi, I come buy meat from 2024 from January to December. You don't give me anything.
What do you mean why they say for you?
January I don't
Na
start.
cheap market,
You
I
don't
dey
give
sell
me
for
anything.
This meat, if I want to sell am for stranger, I say,
My love, call her. Be my call her for food.
I don't give.
Eh?
That 55.
My call her for food.
You guys, I'm heading back home. Oh, finally, this is how long I argue with Wasiu before he eventually sells. Like, he just likes to stress me. He just likes to see my face and stress me. I don't know if this is how he stresses you guys when you buy for him, but let me know in the comment section. So I'm just arranging all that I bought so I can tell you how much I bought each item in the market today. So I bought angel wipes for 1,800 naira. I bought this custard for 4,000 naira. I bought this Viva waist nylon 2,001. This one was 1,002 for each. I bought yogurt for my kids 3,800 naira. Milo was 1,300 for a roll, and I bought up to 6 rolls. I bought peak milk for 1,800 naira, and I bought about 4 rolls. I bought 3 crown milk, the sachet one, for 1,200 naira because I just like to mix it up in my house. I bought this Quaker oats for 2,300 naira for each. I bought Dano milk for Kaito for 1,200. I bought this big roll sachet of matches for 2,800. Sugar was 1,300. Pick 123 was 4,500 naira. You guys, peanut butter was 1,700 naira. Nutrella was 6,500. Kellogg's was 2,500. Golden One was 4,000 naira, and I bought about 3. Nutri-Bomb 1,700. Indomie was 10,500. Ayola Pando was 6,500. Gino paste was 700 for the sachet. Knorr was 2,800 naira. Chicken fries was 1,500. Golden Terra oil 3,800 naira. Lasso chicken spice was 700 naira for each, and I bought about 5. Spaghetti was 1,200. Viva Girl Forever, Viva was 1,700. Corned beef was 1,003. Kiss Pants was 7,500. You guys, I'm in love with this Squeak. It was 1,100. It's a window cleaner and glass cleaner. You guys, I bought these various mosquito cleaners to try, and they were 2,500 naira each because mosquitoes has really been dealing with us. You guys, I bought this Vim for 1,500. Norvex Ultra Clean was 2,500, and I bought about 4. I bought Hypo for 2,000 naira, and I think I bought about 4 as well. I proceeded to buy Mama Lemon, and Mama Lemon was 1,800. All this bunch of plantain was 3,500. All this beef you can see was 38,000 naira. Wasiu finally sold it to me, and the pomo was all going for 3,000 naira together with the shaki. Thanks for watching, guys, and I spent 385,000 naira in the market today. I hope you guys enjoy watching. I'll see you guys next time.